Hello my sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an Easter project using this flocked bunny I picked up from the Dollar Tree and these florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be making a centerpiece using this pail that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I want to put some stones or something down in the bottom of this. I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put some glue down because this is very light and I want it to be heavy. So I'm just going to add some stones to it. Okay, I'm going in with some hot glue in the bottom of my pail. There we go. I also have this glue pan heating up too. This is more for like detailed things. Like I didn't want to take my spoon and put a glop of glue down in there, so I used that for this. But I'm going to use this for dipping. Now I save these. These come off of my floral stems, and I will save these. And I'm going to show you why I do. Because I want to put this bunny on here. I need something to poke it down into the styrofoam. So while that's drying, I'm going to get this prepped. Get my tag off. Dip my stem into the glue pot and then into the bunny. One more. All right, I'm gonna set that to the side and let it dry. So I'm gonna measure my foam against my pail. All right, I want it to stick up a little bit, but maybe not that much. I'm gonna cut just a little bit off. I cannot cut a straight line. Now, I'm leaving the plastic on. I'm not even going to take it off. I'm going to generously put my glue on the bottom of this foam. And then I'm going to do it right down into the pail. This way, it's sticking up a little bit, but not a lot. Alright, now my bunny's on his pedestal. He is so cute. Or she, I guess. So now I'm going to go in with some different greeneries that I have. And I did purchase these from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how many I'll use, but I'm just going to cut them all off now. And see, like, I'll keep that. Some moss because I thought I might, oh, you know what, I might stick some moss down in there. This stuff is so messy. I'm going to trim these up. I'm just gonna go in with my greenery, poke it into my glue pot, get the excess off, and then poke it into the foam. I have extra greenery left over from other projects if I need more. I'm going to go in with this eucalyptus looking. Apparently I can't talk and do things at the same time. Sorry about that. All right. Now I'm going to go in with some florals. I think I do need a little bit more greenery. I want the bunny to look like it's just sitting in the woods, sitting in a shrub. This is a mixed floral bush. This was at the Dollar Tree for $3, and it's not bad. I like to push all of the leaves up to the actual floral.
Basically, what I'm doing here is layering. I went in with my greenery, now I'm going in with the florals, and then I'll find any holes at the end.
Now I do go all the way down into the styrofoam, and I will cut them down if I think I need to. This one right here, I'm probably gonna have it come out. No, I'm gonna have it come over here. Maybe a lily on this side. The rose right there. I see a little spot right there where I can see the styrofoam, so I'm going to go in with this hydrangea. I'll go in as far as it'll let me. And I see another spot right here. I used the chunkier flowers to cover up holes. Oh my goodness, I think this is adorable. I don't know about the raffia bow, but I think I am going to leave it, only because I don't think I have a small enough ribbon. I am going to adjust it though. Isn't this adorable? Look at that.
If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Friends, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.